welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make stickers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these stickers. These were super easy and super cute and customizable, and stick them on any surface you like. Just peel and stick it. There we go, and it's not going anywhere. And if you even drop water on this or any other liquid, it will not spoil the sticker. So why not make it? So without any further ado, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is 2 sheets of plain paper, some colored paper. I have this square sheets. You can use any other color paper that you have. Any color medium that you have just for making your stickers. A pair of scissors. A few packets, like you just need one bag, not so many, but it should be clear plastic. And you'll also need a few scrap pieces. Make sure in your scraps they should not be a ziploc material, or the plastic should not be really hard. That way you can't make your stickers. So keep in mind that you have a really thin plastic. Sellotape, a smaller piece of one. This is optional, but it will make it look better. And yeah, that's it. Now let's get started. First we'll take our plain sheet of paper and draw out any designs that you want. This is basically the sticker that we will be drawing right now. So you can draw anything, plants, animals, deserts, anything you want. I'm going to be drawing plants. Done! I have finished making these plants here. And now I'm going to cut it out. Make sure you're not cutting right onto the edge. We want to leave a little wide gap, because if you cut like this, you may make a mistake. Here I have finished cutting out my stickers, and now we will just set these aside and take our scrap sheet of plastic. And we are just going to place all our stickers on top. Make sure that they are spread apart, because we don't want them to be really close to each other. That way it will be hard for us to cut. And now we are going to take our big sellotape and just place it over these stickers. And make sure you smooth it out so there are no bubbles. I have finished sticking these together, and now I'm just going to cut. Same way I'm going to leave a little bit around. There we go. I've even cut this, and as you can see there's a little gap here. So you want to make sure you do that. And now we'll grab a nice packet. And if you're enjoying my video so far, then like, share and subscribe. So yes, this is the packet that I'll be using, and I'm just going to place and see how I want each of the stickers to be. Okay, now we will take our stickers and our scissor, and we are going to remove the plastic, right? To remove the plastic, the best way is to make a slit and insert your scissor inside. So here I have removed this plastic layer, and I'll remove it completely. Just peel it off. And here is the tape, and I'll just stick it onto this packet. I'm going to repeat the same thing with the others. There you go. I have the stickers. And now comes the optional part. Your stickers are ready, you can peel them off and stick it. But I'm going to go a step a notch, and I'm going to give it a label. Plus I'm going to insert a sheet of colored sheet here so that it looks nicer. If you are doing it, then you should take the sheet color that you want. I'm going to go for this black grayish color, and I'll try to insert it. If I can't, then I'll just trim it up. go, and I have this like sticky thing in my packet, but if you don't have it you can leave this, but I'm just going to peel this off and stick it back. The reason why I stuck it inside is because we don't have the stickers inside this bag. We can just peel it off like this. So that's why if I keep it over this, then I won't be able to peel these stickers. So keep in mind that you're not covering any stickers. Next I'm going to make the label kind of thing, which is this. Again, this is optional, but I'm going to do it. For that, take a sheet of paper, just measure how big it is, and according to that you can cut it, and then fold it in half and cut it out. Now once you have this cut out in your desired shape, you can decorate it. I kept my design pretty simple, but you can go as crazy as you want. And once we have it ready, we are going to place it where we want. Take our small sellotape, take one small piece and stick it. There we go. It looks so nice and super cute, and this is another sticker that I added to my collection. I just love how these two turned out, and again with really little materials, super easy. And this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.